Hi, I'm Chef Sabrina Tinsley, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to put together tagliolini con le sarde, which is saffron tagliolini with sardines. Everything you need to make this dish is included in your kit this month. We have the saffron tagliolini, we have the sarde sauce, which is our sardine and fennel sauce, and we have our two garnishes, which is a blackened eggplant pate and seasoned breadcrumbs. So the first step is going to be to heat up our sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my saute pan. And I'm going to hydrate with just a little bit of the pasta water, which I already have hot and ready to go. Set that aside. We're going to start cooking our pasta. I have some salted boiling water ready, and I'm going to just drop my tagliolini in the water. After about 15 to 30 seconds, I'm going to start separating the pasta. Once they're all separated, we'll just let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, the pasta has been cooking for about 4 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and strain that, because I love to enjoy my pasta al dente. Normally I would just dump this out, but I'm not in front of a sink, so I'm just pulling it out of the water, like so. Okay, now that the pasta is cooked and strained, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my sauce, which is nice and hot and a little bit soupy. As you remember, we added a little bit of water, pasta water at the beginning, but that's important because that's going to absorb into the pasta and give it a little bit more flavor. Get just a little bit of heat going here, probably on about medium. Toss. And then we're going to just toss in just a little bit of the breadcrumbs at this point and save the rest for a garnish, for a little topping. Okay. It's all ready, and I'm going to go ahead and plate a portion. I almost forgot, if you'd like, you can add a little touch of extra virgin olive oil to the pasta as well and toss that in. Now for the plating. So to plate, we're going to put a little smudge of our blackened eggplant pate on the side of our plate, like so, and then just do a little smear. And then we'll nest one of our orders of tagliolini right in the middle of the plate, so that you can still see a little bit of the eggplant puree on the side. So included in your kit is enough pasta for 2 servings. Get a little bit of the sardine sauce on top. Lovely. And then to finish, I'm going to add just a little bit of breadcrumb on top. And voila, it's all ready. Your tagliolini con le sarde. Enjoy.